Is food about taste? Is it about fulfilling hunger? Is it about basic needs? No.
On to the next burger!
The purist in me loves burgers. Meat, cheese, bun, excellent. But I'm not gonna lie, I have a soft spot for stunt burgers. The crazy stuff you see on social media, the spectacle, they're kinda dope. Chefs live to break rules, and I can't think of a better person to do that with than my boy Elon Hall, Top Chef alum and knife fight guru. Tonight, we're here to stretch the definition of what a burger can be. It's an epic face-off, and we're gonna let an all-star panel of judges tell us if we've gone too far.
Alvin, when you're looking at Instagram, how do you react to stunt burgers, like these crazy, giant, piled high burgers?
I'm not gonna lie to you, it's tough for me, man. I'm more of like a meat, cheese, bun kind of guy, you know, maybe a pickle. I do like how it pushes your creativity. So I'm scrolling through my feed and I see these stunt burgers and I'm like, the chef in me just says, fuck it, I could do better, you know?
The insecure monster inside of me says the same thing. It's kind of like one of those things when you're a kid and you just mix different household products together to make your potion. Having like pure creativity and just even if it doesn't work and it's a complete failure, you still wanting to create something.
Yo, like let's throw it down. Let's do some stunt burgers. Let's see who can come up with what. I mean, it's gonna be tough for me.
I've got ideas already.
Because you know, you're Top Chef alum, knife fight master.
I'm gonna crush you, man.
Yeah, you probably will. So I'm calling this a baseball burger.
Okay.
Starts off with thinly sliced onions.
I have a hard time eating baseballs, so how is that gonna translate?
You know, it doesn't matter. It's a stunt burger, man. Like it's gonna be great. You're gonna cut it in half. You're gonna be like, whoa, this is fucking amazing.
Wait, so why is it called a baseball burger? Tell me more about.
Because it's round. The onions that I'm gonna smash into it is gonna make it look like, you know, like the little thread.
Oh, like the stitching around a baseball?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Got my patties. I'm stuffing it with American cheese.
That's a big thing with stunt burgers, having it stuffed. You're wrapping it like a baseball.
Yeah. So yeah, basting it in butter. Just getting that like nice caramelization down.
So it's equal parts per weight burger and butter?
Yeah. We're pretty much fortifying the beef in butter.
Yeah.
I feel like this is kind of like the secret to this. Grilled cheese top and bottom.
You're taking two sort of beloved concepts and mashing them together. I mean, I might want to kill myself after I eat it, but I get it. Are we putting cheese on the burger too?
Yes, sir.
Fucking A.
What's next is my Southern California flair.
Okay.
Thousand Island dressing.
Okay, perfect.
That's
All
it.
right. That's it?
That's the burger.
No vegetables except for the onions?
No, the onions.
All right.
That's a salad.
All right.
Voila. This is my stunt burger, baseball burger.
That looks great, but I'm gonna crush you.
I gotta see this Top Chef shit live.
I'm gonna show you.
This knife fight
in real
shit.
time.
All right, cool. We're done.
Let's go. I'm taking a few things that I love. I love hamburgers.
Okay.
I love poutine. And I love banh mi sandwiches.
Right.
So I'm gonna make it all into one, and I'm gonna make a banh mi poutine burger.
Just so much buzzwords, man.
It's too many.
Too many
It's
buzzwords.
too many hashtags. So this is like a French roll, right?
Okay.
So patty.
Okay.
Just gonna season it with a little bit of salt. And I made a little spice mix. I use this when I'm doing meat, when I'm doing burgers. A little bit of
What is it?
porcini powder, nutritional yeast, smoked paprika. You know, just like things that taste delicious.
There's crack in there. So that's how you're gonna win. You're gonna put crack in the burger. Okay.
I mean, so a little bit of oil on this nice hot griddle. And I like my burgers to be a little bit rare. So I wanna get that super nice crust. That's why I want a really, really hot griddle. And I also have some pork that I cooked overnight that I braised and pulled with a little bit of this and a little bit of seasoning, kind of similar to the burger seasoning.
So fancy.
So it's only gonna use a little bit of that meat. Now I've got my fries.
All right.
Because I feel like with every burger you need fries.
It's cheating.
It's cheating because
It's
I
a
made
burger
them.
competition.
I made them. It's a burger competition, but these are going on the burger. I'm gonna get them super crunchy because they're gonna be covered in a lot of wet stuff. Got my fries, and I'm gonna load them up and make my little sort of mini poutine. Fuck. And this ultimately is gonna slide on top of the burger. Got a little bit of my cheese curd. Then got a little bit of duck liver pate. Got our meat.
Bun, pate, burger, fries, cheese curds, gravy.
Got a little bit of pickles.
Too many fucking ingredients in this.
Let's see. Got cucumber, slightly spicy, a little bit mild, and the carrot pickles are really, really spicy. Got Kewpie, so we need some more fat. Are you fucking making gang signs behind me?
I'm throwing it up. Sriracha.
Sriracha. Now we're going cilantro. A lot of cilantro, a lot of pickles because it's so fatty
You
and
gotta
so
hide
rich.
the flavor of the burger. That's why.
Jalapenos. So you're getting spice from multiple angles. And that is a motherfucking banh mi poutine burger.
You're forgetting something.
What am I forgetting?
Your ribs.
Oh, fuck!
There's so much shit in this that he forgot the ribs.
There we go.
All right.
That's a banh mi poutine burger.
So, here we are. Your creation, my creation. But we gotta get some of the heavy hitters to check out what we've done. We have Miss Info
Okay. I
from
love Miss
Food
Info.
Grails.
Yeah.
We got Sean Evans from Hot Ones.
Awesome.
And we have Matty Matheson.
Matty Matheson.
Supper time, baby.
I love you and I respect you,
Yo,
but I fucking schooled you on this burger, bro.
may the best burger win.
Yes, I agree.
My man.
Hello, everybody.
Hello,
Hello.
Wow.
So, this is a mashup of a couple things that I love and some things we used to serve at the restaurant. So we used to do a banh mi poutine where we would do the basic setup of a poutine but use flavors of a traditional roast pork banh mi sandwich. And so I took that a step further and put that all on top of a burger.
Before we take a bite, it's worth acknowledging, you know, this is like the Burger American Idol. You know, this is the top chef's answer, but an internet version. And if Maddie's Tom, and if Miss Info is Padma, then I'm Judge Judy, okay? So we're going no holds barred. It's the real, no
Wait.
fake shit.
Wait, I think Miss Info would be more like Gail Simmons.
Exactly. Maddie's definitely
and then you would
Padma.
be more like,
I'm more
like Ted
Padma.
Allen.
I'd be
wish
like
I
Ted
could
Allen.
do Padma.
I hope you all enjoy, but I can't bear to watch you eat because I'm so nervous.
It's okay. This
All right,
looks amazing.
Milan, thank you very much for the burger.
pleasure.
I'm excited to try it.
All right, enjoy, guys.
See? You guys smush it.
Yeah,
Smush it.
exactly.
You
Because
guys
otherwise I
smush
have
it.
to unhinge my jaw.
Yeah, don't unhinge the jaw. I'll
Fit
keep the
this
jaw.
in my mouth. Pause.
I don't know if this is a 20,000 like Instagram picture.
No, this isn't 20,000 likes at all. This is like 3K at the most.
Right. This is
Mo.
3,000 likes. We're not trending anything.
This isn't even a retweet, right?
No,
You're
this
getting
isn't
no
a
re-
retweet. This
You're
is
getting
a,
no retweet.
This is a like, not even a comment. I don't think it's stunty enough. I
I
think
agree.
it's kind of he's just making a cheeseburger in a different sandwich. It's fucking delicious.
Right.
But that's not why we're here.
Okay, so what is the
We're here to
formula for the 100K likes photo?
You need a lot of
Some more
goo.
It needs to be a novel color.
And like, if it was gonna be poutine, then the bun would be made of poutine,
Yeah, you
right?
gotta make-
Like, it
you
would be a
gotta make-
bun made out of fries and cheese,
Yeah.
no bread.
Or like
No.
a ramen bun or something. This is what you have to
That's
do
it.
is
Yeah,
just,
You gotta
that's
be an
what I'm saying.
asshole about it.
yeah, you gotta be a complete
an asshole
asshole.
about it.
this sandwich is not a big
Nobody
enough
wants to eat a
asshole.
ramen fucking burger.
Right.
People are crazy. You gotta make it like you hate it. You have to make something so ridiculous that you look at it and you're like, that's fucking ridiculous.
Right.
Yep.
That's
It has to be
stupid.
Unedible.
All of a sudden, you got 10 million hits.
Delicious sandwich, not offensive enough.
Yeah.
To stunt.
Right, to stunt.
On to the next burger.
Bring
Hello,
on
hello.
the meats. Dinner and
Grilled
a
cheese
weapon.
buns. Grilled cheese buns. I see you.
Okay. So I'm a burger purist. I just like meat, cheese, and bread. It's a stunt. I did a baseball burger. This is as outrageous as I get. Cut it in half, watch it ooze out, and enjoy.
Thank you, Alvin.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. I mean,
See, right away.
you're, you're
think-
taking.
No,
okay,
I go
you're already
straight to.
going in.
I go straight for because this is he kind of nailed the stupid
the
Instagram.
visual aspect.
Well, because
right?
it is a thing,
Yeah, he does kind of like pass that original test because like right when it was served,
and we didn't even know what kind of burgers were coming out. And we're
I
saying,
wanted to take a picture of it.
watch this, okay? And then,
Oh my God.
Mine made a noise. Mine
my
made
God.
like a noise.
It's like animated. There's something
Yeah.
coming out of it.
This is nuts.
Look at that.
This is nuts. It's gooing. It's erupting.
If your food doesn't
fucking-
like jizz on your plate.
no jizz talk. There's no more jizz. You can't have jizz talk.
I think I'm the only one here who can.
You can have jizz talk. I can't talk about the jizz. Sean definitely can't talk about the jizz. Fuck. See, this is a perfect example.
Does it taste as good?
I like the other burger better.
The other
I don't
burger
like the
tastes better.
farce. I hate. Perfect example of fucking Instagram food.
2 bites and
You're out.
I feel kind of gross. I feel a little gross.
Here's what I'm saying,
Anti-spa. This is the anti-spa.
I am a junkyard goat when it comes to food.
You're disgusting.
I enjoyed it. I am like into it. I kind of want them to package this up and I'll take it home. Like I'm into this. I'm into the meatball, baseball, grilled cheese, onion burger.
It's like cheese on cheese on cheese on cheese with a side of dry beef.
What a diss! Miss Info doesn't fuck around.
Am I gonna get more followers off of this?
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
100%.
Yes.
This is the Instagram burger.
It ends up on the popular page.
This
and
is
you
on the
start
popular
getting-
page.
yeah.
The feed goes crazy. You get a DM from a girl you didn't talk to from 3 years ago. Oh my God, where'd you get that? Lick, 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 lick.
Yeah.
We've had the burgers. We've
Yeah.
talked them out. I think it's time to let the chefs know which one is wearing the crown tonight. Bring out the chefs. All right, guys, first I want to say thank you for dinner. I was starving when I got here and now I feel full, I feel good, so thank you for that. Ilan, when it came to your burger, it was just straight A's across the board when it came to taste. Everybody here at the table loved your burger.
Thank you.
Where it lost some points where we were like, is this the clout rocket ship that I need to just start stacking likes and getting those DMs that I need so bad? And that was where it kind of fell short for us, but on taste, everybody loved it. Alvin, I loved it. I'm into it. Let's make it a menu item up here. I'll be in here for breakfast every single day. Down the table, it lost some points in that department. Not from me though, Alvin. Not from me, buddy. But we're all in agreement that when your burger was plopped down in front of us, me and Maddie, we were quick on the draw with the phones. We immediately took pictures. When we huddled up, we decided what's gonna get us 20,000 likes, and it was the potato bun, grilled cheese, baseball burger that was gonna get us there. So Alvin, you are the winner.
Stunt burger.
Stump burger.
Stunt burger.
My man.
Emotional.
You know?
Emotional.
It is.
You know what? It's
It
about
is.
time I lose something.
Oh, yes.
She got cut loose. She got cut loose.
Very sad.
Thank you.
Yes.